Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to cancel your Linkvertise premium subscription, then this video is for you. So you can see I'm on the Linkvertise official website, and they have just guided us with a step-by-step guide for terminating our subscription, for canceling the subscription. So first you have to do is log into your premium account, then click on account on the left side bar. Then click on the three dots next to manage subscription and choose cancel subscription. Make sure that you have choose the correct subscription that you want to cancel. Now you will then be guided through the cancellation process, like you have to enter the verification, go through the verification process, enter some details, some reasons where you are actually canceling, so enter a valid reason. So here is a note for you that if your subscription bill hasn't been paid before the cancellation, you might receiving charging attendance from us even after your subscription was cancelled. In this case, please update your payment method. So keep it on your mind. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.